welcome back to another vlog. So y'all, I woke up early this morning. I made breakfast for Madison and I, and right now I have work, but I gotta go to the post office because someone bought something off my eBay. I've been decluttering my closet. Like, there's so many things that I have that I've never worn, and just things that is not my style no more. So this is the bag. Let me show you guys real quick. I wore this bag only once, and it's just like, part of me don't want to sell it, but then deep down I know, like, Shakera, you don't need it. Like, you don't wear it, just give it up. And they also have a strap for a crossbody. So yep. But yeah, I'm gonna have to say goodbye to her. I'm gonna miss you, okay? Be good. So I already printed the label and everything. I don't have a box, so when I go to the post office, I'm gonna have to buy a box. But yeah, I gotta go because I know I'm gonna be late for work. So I'm gonna talk to you guys later. Y'all, Kira on wheels again. I made a comment to someone and I thought it was like really cute. So yeah, it's been like, how long now since I've been driving consistently? Like a month now. And I honestly like it. At first I had mixed feelings about it because, one, people can't drive. Two, I was kind of nervous on the road. But like now I feel like I'm a pro. I feel more confident, and a bitch been skirt out in these streets, okay? Like, I be racing, like racing 120, like, sis, I've been doing that, and I shouldn't. It's really bad. I shouldn't be doing that. I shouldn't even be proud to even say that. But and I've been loving driving, so I think I'm ready, actually ready for my license. Break off my car door.
Sorry.
But yeah, I actually think I'm ready for my license. But right now, I want to get me a pedicure today. I don't know, because I'm going out tonight, and I need to drop my Crocs to the dry cleaners. Yeah, look at this. Absolutely disgusting. But yeah, so we're at the car wash, guys. I want to go to the one where you have to go on the, what do you call it, the conveyor belt thingy? But that's not what they're doing here. You have to actually get out the car so they could wash it and clean it for you. Hey gorgeous, are you subscribed to the channel? She went in on this French tip, no lie.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love.
Y'all, this is too cute. Like, eh? Oh, that nice. What on God's earth is this? Like, is this supposed to be cute?
It's nice morning.
This nice. Ooh. Y'all, I love this.
Push the beat. Yeah, push the beat. Turn me up. Turn me up, babe. Partners in the paddock, get my piece. Push the beat. Cop no drama, fuck my feet. Right. Take a piece. Drop the bat and now we fly.
Hey guys, happy Saturday. So yeah, it's really like crazy outside, but I'm gonna need to go to the mall regardless because I have to stop at Zara. I know I went to Zara a couple days ago, but I didn't get anything because honestly I wasn't in the mood and like it was crowded. Even though I don't know why I choose to go today because like tomorrow's Mother's Day, so it's even gonna be more packed. And then I'm gonna need to stop at Sephora because I need some makeup wipes and some mascara. And hopefully I don't spend over $100 in Sephora because y'all know how that goes. I don't know why that man over there looking at me. I don't know why he looking at me. Because he made me miss my lash appointment yesterday. And I'm like highly pissed off. But it's whatever. Alright, shut up. Okay. Y'all, they left this shit open. Okay, all my face. Hopefully, I don't spend over $100 in Sephora because y'all know how that goes. So yesterday was Mother's Day. One, I called out of work. Two, I just been in bed. But I hope y'all had a great Mother's Day. Tell me why just now I went to the dry cleaners to pick up my Crocs. The lady told me like, oh, it's not ready. It's about to be 2 weeks. Why it's not ready? She's like, oh, I forgot. Like, sis, how do you forget? Like, what? So yeah, I came all the way to the city to Zara. What is going on?
Thank you. I took some in black and white. Oh, that's nice. Right?
Oh wow.
That is nice. Do you guys have Instagram?
Yeah.
Yeah, check out my work.
That's fire. I'm like, wait, he recorded me, I'm recording him. Guys, so I just got back home from the city and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I kind of only bought a few things at Zara. I didn't really get to buy anything at the other stores because we didn't know like they were gonna close out early. And I'm also gonna show you guys what I got Saturday when we went to the mall. So yeah, I had an episode at Sephora the other day when I went. Like, it was crazy. But I stopped at Victoria's Secret and I just got that 5 for $35. And then I went to Zara and I spent, how much did I spend? $143. Yep. So I got this pink bodysuit and it's giving Skims, to be honest. And it's like super stretchy. I got it in a size small. And I'm gonna try to list these things down below because sometimes when you go on a Zara site looking for something, like it's really hard to find. And I love when the girls just add the link in the description box so I could just click and go buy it. I got this shorts and it's like super pretty. I'm loving the spring color, like the pink, the green. And lately I've been so obsessed with green. I don't know what's going on with me, but girl, the green is giving. And then I got this like paper bag shorts for medicine, and I got this like a trench coat kinda, even though it's kind of late for that, but I got it in 3 to 4 years old, so she's gonna have it for quite some time, because by the time she reaches the age 3-4 they probably don't sell this no more. But it's like super cute and I freaking love it. So that's what I got from Zara from the mall. And before I get into Sephora, let me just show you guys what I got from Zara today. So I've been eyeing these heels for a long time. Initially I wanted the pink one and the white one, but then I saw the orange, and baby, they were just sitting looking at me and saying like, baby, take me right now, like just take me home, like you need me, I need you. And yeah, she's just giving like hello. So I got this green tank top, and like I said, I've been obsessing over green. Like it's like a rib material, and I got it in a size small. And the next item I got is this dress shorts. And this, y'all, the quality is so freaking bomb. Like I freaking love these shorts, but the only thing that I don't like that it doesn't have a pocket. And the last thing that I got is this like skirt, I don't know what you call it, like a skirt and a shorts in one. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So it's this, and like it's just so pretty. Like it's giving vacation, it's giving take me on an island. And when I was leaving I realized they have the top, but the top wasn't really speaking to me, so I didn't feel the need to get like the top to match. So that's everything that I got today. And now to Sephora, y'all. I told myself that I wasn't going to spend over $100. I just wanted mascara and wipes, and I don't know what happened. So I spent $149, and I did get my wipes, but this is not the wipes that I normally use. They really have too much. I don't know what's going on with Sephora, because the wipes that I used to get back in the days, like the papaya and the cucumber, like they don't bring that no more. I don't know what's going on. The next item I got is the Sol de Janeiro cream. And I think this one is new, because on the shelf it was saying like new. Yeah, it's new. I don't know, but it smells so freaking good. And this is my first time ever trying this brand, and I got like a travel size, because I like when I'm trying out products, I don't go all in, because sometimes you feel like you like it when you first try it, but then as you continue to use it, you're just like, yeah, that's not it. And that's what I do with perfumes. I stopped buying like the whole bottle. I just start off with travel size, because that happened to me a lot. But I did get this, and this is what actually spilled on me in the store. I think it was the yellow one, because some dumbass left it open. So I also got this NARS Orgasm lip mask, and if y'all been rocking with me when I first started YouTube and was doing makeup tutorial, y'all would know I go hard for NARS, like super hard. And NARS, even to this day, is still my favorite makeup line, hands down. I also did get my mascara, like I said I was going for, and this mascara, I don't care, like it's the best. And I have so many mascara. I have Gucci, I have Bobbi Brown, NARS, you name it, I have it. But I just always gravitate more towards the Bad Gal Bang. I also got a brow pencil, and I'm in the shade wait, no, I'm not in the shade 5. I'm in the shade 4.5. I think I'm gonna need to change this. And the last two items that I got is this House of Lash transparent lash adhesive. And I've been using hair glue for a very long time, so I think it's time to like step my shit up. And then I got this Milk makeup primer, and I've heard so many great things about this. And of course I picked up a travel size, because I'm trying to spend smart. So that's all the shopping that I did. I don't think I'll be buying anything for the rest of the month. Also guys, I'm gonna have to send my camera in, because the gimbal stopped working. Like I can't flip my camera. Like ever since that night when I went out, my camera just acting crazy. So I'm gonna have to send it in. They say it's gonna take like 7 business days, so I don't know, maybe I'm gonna vlog on my phone, but I really don't like that. And hopefully by the time this vlog goes up, I get back my camera.